Let's see about the storage service that are available in the Azure. The one is blob storage, disk storage, file storage and archive storage. So this we are going to discuss now. So the data will be available in three forms like structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. So when it comes to the structured data where your adheres to the schema and it will be stored in the DB with the rows and columns. When it comes to the semi-structured data, it will be less organized than structured, but not stored in a relational format, but it will be in a non-relational like no SQL like that. It will be called as a semi-structured data. When it comes to unstructured data like files like PDF, text files, audio, these are called as a unstructured data. So there is no designated structure for this like no table or no SQL format, all those. So based on PDF it will have its own format, text file it will have its own, and there is no restrictions on the unstructured data. So let us see about the Azure blob storage. Okay, if you see here the REST based object store for the unstructured data, so you can save the object files. So basically it's a object storage service, so you can store large amount of unstructured data here. So you have a HTTPS request also here, storage account, and it contain container also there. Like three types of blobs will be there. One is block and append page, and it also supports the archive tier availability. So basically you should understand blob storage is a unstructured data, therefore there are no restrictions on data, and it is very highly scalable and also handle thousands of simultaneous uploads and a massive amount of videos, constant streaming, anything, and you can access this anywhere. And the constraint that we have is the name should be unique. Okay, that is the one thing we need to remember about blob storage. So I will show you how to create one sort of blob. It will be useful for you. So the next one will be the queue service, where we have a queuing service where message will be stored for 7 days, and you can have a file up to 64 KB in size. So you can see that also from this list. And the other one will be the file store, where you are fully managing the file store, file share, and you can mount that to congruently like to any machines. And this will you can save up to 5 TB of maximum file size. So that is the one advantages with file store. And you can see that here, right, file shares that uses the standard SMD protocol. So basically it's for a file storage structured category. And the next one is a table store. So you may not find it here, but if you click on more you will get that option, where it is storing an unstructured NoSQL data. You will have a key value storage, as many entitles and tables as you like you can keep. So the next one will be the disk storage. So disk storage will be here. It is a persistent secure disk option supported by the virtual machines. So you can have a managed or unmanaged disk. Okay, you will Azure will ensure that 99.999% availability, and it will always contains 3 replicas. So like your one disk will be stored for 3 replicas. So it will support both SSD and HDD, and you can support from that it will store up to 4 DB of the, and you can attach a multiple disk storage to the virtual machine and you can make use of them. So these are the various storage accounts that are storage services that are available in the cloud. So I request you click on each service and go through what it is.